In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Google Flights. This handy tip is perfect for when you're planning trips across different countries and need to see flight prices in a currency that you're more familiar with, or when you're doing a quick budget consideration in your local currency. Firstly, let's head over to Google Flights. You can do this by typing https://www.google.com/travel/flights into your web browser's address bar, or simply searching for Google Flights in your preferred search engine and clicking on the first result. Google Flights is an incredibly powerful tool for searching flights from hundreds of airlines and agencies, allowing you to compare prices, dates, and flight times all in one place. Once you're on the Google Flights homepage, you'll notice a Sign In button in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. It's important to sign in so that all your searches and preferences are saved under your account, making it easier to pause your planning and return to it later without losing any progress. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you're already logged into Google, this step will be super quick. Just click on your account. If you have multiple accounts or you're not logged in, you might have to enter your email address and password. So go ahead and type in your password, remembering to keep it secure and not to share it with anyone. Now click Next. Google Flights is sophisticated and tailored to suit your preferences once you're logged in. It will start to show you potential flights based on your previous searches, if any, and you can begin planning your next adventure. But let's get to why we're here. Changing the currency. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. It might seem a bit counterintuitive to scroll all the way down when you're just getting started, but this is where all the web page settings live, including the one we need to adjust. Near the footer, you'll see various options for customizing your Google Flights experience, like changing the language or country. Look specifically for the currency option. It's a simple drop-down menu that may currently be set to the default currency based on your Google account settings or your current location. Upon clicking on currency, a list of available currencies will appear. This list covers a broad spectrum of world currencies, ensuring that users from almost anywhere can view flight prices in a currency they're familiar with. Take a moment to find and select your preferred currency from this list. Google has made it extremely easy by not only listing currencies alphabetically, but also by including the country flags for easier navigation. Once you've spotted and selected your currency, you're almost there. The last step is as simple as it gets. Just click on OK to confirm your selection. The page will refresh and voila, all the flight prices you now see will be in your chosen currency. This can help immensely with your budget planning, as it avoids the hassle of converting prices from one currency to another. But remember, changing the currency on Google Flights doesn't affect the actual transaction currency. When you proceed to book a flight, the final purchase might still be processed in the airline's or travel agency's default currency. Always double check the final payment currency to avoid any surprises with exchange rates or foreign transaction fees that your bank might impose. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed the currency on Google Flights, making it even easier to plan your travels, whether you're comparing flight prices, planning future trips, or just dreaming about your next holiday. Google Flights is a powerful tool that's now even more tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Safe travels and see you in the next video.